Greetings everyone. In this video, we will talk about gross profit versus gross margin. These two terms can be very confusing. So let's just see if we can explain it a little bit for you. What is gross profit? Gross profit is difference between sales and cost price or cost of goods sold. What is gross margin? Gross margin is also difference between sales and cost price. When we are talking about these terms as an amount, it is quite possible that your answer would be same. Now, where the difference comes between these two terms? These two terms are normally presented as a percentage, and that is where the difference is. Let's go over the differences between gross profit and gross margins as percentages. Gross profit is calculated as a percentage of sales or revenue, whereas gross margin is calculated as percentage of cost price. There's a formula for gross profit and gross margin calculation. One has sales as denominator and the other one has cost. Gross profit is calculated after the sales are made. Gross margin is calculated before the sales are made because gross margin is added to the cost price to calculate the sales price. Let's go over an example for calculating gross margin and gross profit. Jane Smith purchased chocolate bars for $2,000 and she wants to sell them for 40% margin. Now she has got the cost price and now we need to calculate sales price and gross profit. We also got the gross margin percentages given in the question. So the cost price was $2,000. Gross margin is 40% of $2,000. Remember, gross margin is based on the cost price. So gross margin is $500. Sales price will be cost price plus gross margin, which is $2,500. Now the gross profit is the difference between the sales price and cost price. It's again $500. If you remember from the first slide that the amount of gross profit and gross margin could be same, which is the case here. Now when you calculate gross profit percentage, because it's based on the sale, it's going to be different. So gross profit over sales times 100 is 20% compared to 40% gross margin where we started with. I hope it helps in clarifying these two terms for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more accounting videos. Thank you very much.